Hey y'all, Chef IrixGuy here, and this is how to grill burgers. So you can find the grill like I'm using, expand this video's description, and then click the link there. Something that I always recommend is only using a charcoal grill. So you can see my burgers on there. This one I've flipped, the others I haven't. So the technique is actually quite simple. So what you do, you get a spatchula. Now it's got to be the metal one, because those like you use in the kitchen would melt. So metal spatula, you can find this linked within this video's description. It's a really nice one. And basically what you'll do, you'll see you don't want to flip the burgers too soon. See how that one's kind of really mushy? You want them to firm up a little bit first. See, that one's not ready either. So depending upon how much charcoal you put in your grill, you may have some of them that are ready to flip before the others. And see, that one's mushy. What'll happen if they're mushy when you try to flip them is that they may fall apart. So see the texture, the firmness of this one right here? That's what you want before you flip. And just repeat the process. So, cook on one side, flip it again. And as far as knowing when a burger's done, you can use a meat thermometer to be safe. And I've got a meat thermometer linked within this video's description as well. But typically what I do is I keep flipping them until when I gently push on them, that the juices that come out are clear. So it's not red, it's just a clear color. And to me, that's an indication that it's probably done. I've been doing that my entire life and I haven't died yet. But yeah, you don't want to eat undercooked ground beef. And that also goes, this spatula right here, when I'm not cooking with it, I put it inside the grill so that it can burn off. Because if you use this for your burgers when you first put them on the grill, this would have come in contact with raw meat. You don't want to potentially contaminate your burgers with raw meat. So for that reason, I kind of put it on the edge of my grill and let it not cook, but probably burn those any unwanted stuff that may be in the raw ground beef off. So I hope this video helped. Again, just keep flipping. Again, that firmness right there, see, that's good and firm. And it's not that difficult, but if you do flip prematurely, see, this one's starting to get there, but it's not quite ready to flip. Yeah, if you rush it, you're going to end up breaking your burgers, and that's not cool.